Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make an advanced watermark for your video using CapCut. It's super simple, but the results looks professional. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your CapCut and then just create a new project. This one, just tap on it, and then just add a green screen clip like this. This green background will help us later when we cut out the watermark. And then now just add text. And then just type any word or phrase that you want to use as your watermark. It could be your channel name or brand or even just a signature. For example, like this. And next, just adjust the font. Choose one that matches your style, maybe something bold, clean, or fancy depending on your vibe. In this tutorial, maybe I want to choose this one, and then just change the color to white. And then to make it pop, just add a shadow effect. Go to shadow and then just adjust the opacity as you like. Adjust the blur. Adjust the distance, angle. Maybe like this. This will give your watermark depth and make it stand out without being distracting. And once you're happy with how it looks, just take a screenshot of your watermark like this, and then just tidy up the screenshot like this. This screenshot is what we will actually use later as the overlay. Next, just save the screenshot. Now just delete the green screen background and the text, and then just bring in all the clips that you want to watermark. This is where you will apply the watermark to your actual video projects. And then import your watermark screenshot and position it anywhere you like. Import it as an overlay. Like this. And then just adjust the durations. And next, just go to remove background. And then choose chroma key. And then color picker. Like this. And then just adjust the intensity until the green is completely gone from your watermark. And then just leaving only your text visible like this. Like this. And finally, just go to splice and then choose overlay like this. This will help the watermark blend smoothly with your video, making it look natural and professional. So your watermark will look like this. Like this. And okay, that's it. You now have a clean advanced watermark for your videos. It's a great way to protect your content and also add a professional touch. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.